All right, so let's try and do the June 2024 Edexcel IEM paper. So um, the marking scheme is not out yet, so let's see. Hopefully, I'm correct. So the first question is integration. So the first question here is integration. And we can see here we're using integration by parts to solve this question. Integration by part. So we should know that integration by part, I think it's given to you in your formula book, is u dv dx. If you are integrating something like this, so uv minus integration of v du dx. So how do we know which one is u? So remember, this is we're integrating something like this. So here our u is x, but how do we know? So the rule is L I A T E. L I. So this is logs. So this is our choice for choosing u. To know the one that will be u. That's our choice for choosing u. This one is inverse trig. This is algebra. This is normal trig, and this is exponential. So you can see here there's no log, there's no inverse trig, there's algebra. So our u will be x, our dv dx will be cos 3x. So now we find the u dx, which is 1, and v. Now how do we integrate this? So to integrate this, what we need to do is we can differentiate this, then we divide it by whatever we have. So what I mean is 1 over 3. Then if I integrate cos x, I get sine x. Now always check. Remember, always check. So imagine I want to differentiate this. If you are good in differentiation, if I differentiate sine x, I get cos x. This is 3x. So let's say I want to go back. So if I differentiate this, I get cos 3x. Then if I differentiate this inside, I get 3 times it, you get that. So whenever you are integrating a trigonometric function, if there's a function inside, differentiate that function, then divide it by whatever you integrate from the original function. So now I will just apply my formula now. So I'm integrating some u. My u is x. My v is 1 by 3 sine 3x. Then minus integral of 1 by 3 sine 3x times 1. So times 1, then dx. So times 1. So no need to put times 1. So this will be x by 3 sine 3x minus 1 by 3 sine 3x. Remember, just bring that down dx. So now when we now integrate this one, so this we have already done the integration of that. So x by 3 sine 3x minus 1 by 3. Then again, we just said that. So this is 1 by 3 cos 3x. So 1 by 3 cos 3x. So that's what we have so far. But if I integrate, that will be if I integrate sine, I get minus. So this will be minus here. Yes. So this will give me x by 3. So I'm just giving the final answer now before I substitute. Sine 3x plus 1 by 3, 1 by 9 cos 3x. Then from 0 to pi by 6. Now always check your answer. So imagine I want to go back here. So if I let's check this guy. Let's check this. Let me take another color. Let's say I want to check this. I want to check only that. So what happens? So if I differentiate cos, I get minus sine, right? So if I just want to check this, so minus 1 by 3 cos 3x. If I differentiate, so only this one, so this one will be a constant. So minus 1 by 3 cos is minus sine, so sine 3x, then times 3. So you see this, we cancel this. Minus times minus is plus, so I'll get that. So always try as much as possible to check your answers. It is very important. So if you are good with differentiation, you can always check what the answer will be. So now all I have to do is to substitute my limit. So I'll do it on this side. I'll just substitute my limits now. So that will be, so what I normally do, I'll just put 2 brackets so that I don't get confused on what I'm doing. So I'll put 2 brackets minus brackets like this. So what I do, so pi by, so if I substitute pi by 6 there, so that will be pi by 18, pi by 18, this is 3x here. Then sine, okay, I think that will not be enough, so I'll just make it bigger. No, here is screen. So I'll just, so for the both bracket, I'll just do one on this side. So this bracket minus, so pi by 18 sine, then 3 pi by 18, 3 pi by 6 plus 1 by 9 sine 3 pi by 6 minus, then the other bracket, so I put 0. So this will be 0 plus 1 by 9 cos 3 pi by 6. So my answer should be, this is, so if we simplify, that's 3 pi by 6. That will give me pi by 2. So sine 90 is 1. So this is 1. This is 1. So that will give me pi by 18. Then this is 0. Sine. Okay, I think this is cos here. Yeah, because I know both of them will not be. So this is cos. So this is 0. So that's done. Minus this is 1. 1 by 9. So when I make the denominator the same, times 2 times 2, so my answer will be pi minus 2 over 18. So that is my answer. That is the answer to that question. So you can always use your calculator to check. Remember, the calculator you should use is class width, the white one. The white one is the best calculator to use. If you don't have the white one, but there are a lot of tricks it can integrate for you. It can even differentiate for you. It can give you some. It's the best one to use. All right, so we'll see question 2 next.